welcome to Fix Me Master, your go-to channel for tech fixes, tips, and tricks. If you're into tech, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Ever connected to a Wi-Fi network but forgot the password? No problem. In just 1 minute, I'll show you how to find all saved Wi-Fi passwords on your Windows 10 PC using a simple command. Let's jump right in. Open Command Prompt. Press WinR, type command, and hit enter. Make sure to run as administrator for full access. Step 2, list all saved Wi-Fi networks. Type the following command and press enter. cmon netsh wlan show profiles. This will display a list of all Wi-Fi networks your computer has ever connected to. Example output, profiles on interface Wi-Fi, all user profile office Fi, DJ Bonmoch 5 GHz. Here, we see a saved Wi-Fi profile named DJ Bonmoch. Step 3, reveal password for a specific network. Now, type this command, replace DJ Bonmoch 5 GHz with your Wi-Fi name, cmon netsh wlan show profile name equals DJ Bonmoch 5 GHz, key clear. Scroll down to key content and that's your Wi-Fi password. Example output, profile information, DJ Bonmoch 5 GHz, authentication, WPA2 personal, cipher CMP, GCMP, security key present, key content 0005. Here, 0005 is the saved Wi-Fi password for DJ Bonmoch 5G. And that's it. In just a few seconds, you can recover any saved Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 PC. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe to Fix Me Master for more quick tech tricks, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.